Finding an affordable SUV that is not only budget-friendly, but also exceptionally reliable can be a daunting task. For 2025, several models stand out as prime candidates for those who seek durability, excellent performance, and a price tag that won't break the bank. Here's a detailed look at the top 6 cheap SUVs that never seem to break down, showcasing their engines, features, prices, and other essential details. 1. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 has long been a benchmark for reliability, and the model solidifies its position in the compact SUV segment. Powered by a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine that produces 203 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque, the RAV4 offers a smooth and efficient driving experience. Its 8-speed automatic transmission ensures seamless shifts, making it suitable for both city and highway driving. The 2024 RAV4 boasts a host of features, including a standard 8-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, a suite of advanced safety features under Toyota's Safety Sense 2.5 Plus, including adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, and an available all-wheel drive system for enhanced traction. Priced starting at around $28,000, the RAV4 delivers remarkable value with its low maintenance costs and proven durability. 2. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V has earned a stellar reputation for its dependability, and the 2024 version continues this legacy. Equipped with a 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that generates 190 horsepower and 179 pound-feet of torque, the CR-V strikes a fine balance between performance and fuel efficiency. Paired with a continuously variable transmission, CVT, the SUV offers a responsive and comfortable ride. Inside, the CR-V offers a spacious cabin with high-quality materials, a 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless smartphone connectivity, and an array of standard safety features such as collision mitigation braking and road departure mitigation. Starting at approximately $29,500, the 2024 Honda CR-V is a reliable choice for those seeking an affordable SUV that can withstand the test of time. 3. Mazda CX5. Mazda's CX5 is a standout in the compact SUV category, thanks to its striking design, engaging driving dynamics, and outstanding reliability. The 2024 CX5 is powered by a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, available in both naturally aspirated 187 horsepower and turbocharged 256 horsepower variants. This versatility allows buyers to choose a model that suits their performance preferences. The CX5's interior is a blend of sophistication and functionality, featuring a 10.25-inch infotainment display, premium upholstery options, and intuitive controls. Standard safety technologies include blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert, with higher trims adding adaptive headlights and a 360-degree camera system. With a starting price of around $27,500, the Mazda CX5 is an excellent choice for those who value reliability and driving enjoyment. Subaru Forester. For those who prioritize ruggedness and all-weather capability, the Subaru Forester is an unbeatable option. The 2024 Forester comes equipped with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder boxer engine that delivers 182 horsepower and 176 pound-feet of torque. Paired with Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system and a CVT, the Forester is a reliable companion for both on-road and off-road adventures. The Forester's spacious interior provides ample headroom and cargo capacity, making it ideal for families and outdoor enthusiasts. Standard features include a 6.5-inch touchscreen, upgradable to an 8-inch version, EyeSight driver assist technology for enhanced safety, and X mode for improved off-road performance. With a base price starting at approximately $26,500, the 2024 Subaru Forester combines affordability with dependability in a way that's hard to beat. Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson has undergone a significant transformation in recent years, and the 2024 model is no exception. This compact SUV is powered by a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, producing 187 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. For those seeking even greater efficiency, Hybrid and plug-in hybrid variants are also available. Inside, the Tucson offers a modern and tech-forward cabin with a standard 8-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, and a suite of advanced safety features such as forward collision warning and lane following assist. The 2024 Tucson also boasts a generous warranty package, adding to its overall value. Starting at around $26,900, the Tucson provides an excellent blend of reliability, technology, and style. Kia Sportage. Rounding out the list is the Kia Sportage, a compact SUV that impresses with its bold design, robust build quality, and outstanding warranty coverage. The 2024 Sportage is powered by a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, generating 187 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque, coupled with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Hybrid and plug-in hybrid options further expand the lineup. The Sportage's interior is spacious and thoughtfully designed, featuring a dual 12.3-inch display setup for infotainment and instrumentation on higher trims, as well as advanced safety systems like blind spot collision avoidance and rear occupant alert. The 2024 Kia Sportage starts at about $26,600, making it a compelling option for those who value reliability and a comprehensive feature set. These 6 SUVs stand out not only for their affordability, but also for their remarkable reliability, ensuring peace of mind for years to come. Whether you're seeking a rugged off-road performer like the Subaru Forester, or a tech-savvy daily driver like the Hyundai Tucson, these models prove that you don't need to spend a fortune to own an SUV that lasts.